Hi guys, today is Friday, last trading day of the week, and it has been a great week. Market has rallied a lot, and today is pretty quite tight range. The market opened slightly down, now it's rebounding and is in positive territory. My stocks went deeper into profits, except for one, and you might have guessed it, Pfizer yesterday was already reaching stop loss, and today it reached my stop loss. Lost about $20+, right? But overall, my swing trades went deeper into profit. So overall, I have more profits now, right? Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see over here, my profits now is about $200, right? You can see my equity from yesterday around 4,006. Now it's jumping to above 4,007, right? Of course, it's still I'm still down because of the recent correction last month that started last month, right? But I'm still recuperating, which is a good thing, right? We don't want to see your equity keep on going down continuously, right? Okay, so the profit signal is working fine right now as the market rally, and it triggered way before anyone could get in. So a lot of people are still getting into these stocks when we already get in much earlier using our strategy on the profit signal, right? Okay, so we went in most of these last week, right? When many people still don't think that correction is over, right? So the profit signal actually give you an early sign of bullishness even before anyone else, right? Okay, and like I say, Pfizer stop loss, right? Okay, and I can show you over here is roughly a $21 loss, right? Okay, so overall is all right. Okay, why? Because overall my swing trade went deeper into profits, more than enough to cover it, and brought my equity from yesterday to today higher, right? Okay, it's much higher now, right? Okay, and keeping my fingers crossed, some of my trades like GM went deeper into profits, BA is another one, and also Oracle as well, right? The rest also quite okay, except for Google. For some reason, Google is still not going higher with the rest of the market, right? Okay, but of course, like I say, it already triggered my profit signal. I just follow it. Maybe it will pop next week, who knows, right? Okay, it's anybody's guess. But as long as I stick to my stop loss and my profit signal price levels, I think I should be fine, right? Even if I take a loss, it will be a small loss anyway, right? Okay, so a lot is moving much deeper into profits, like Nvidia, Microsoft, or even JPM, right? Okay, so you can see over here, Apple move much higher over here. Boeing is past the halfway mark, going towards my take profit zone. BAC is a little bit down from a little bit up from yesterday, right? Okay, but still quite far from the halfway point, right? GE is just crawling slowly, and GM almost hit my take profit level, right? But it didn't. So maybe next week we shall see, right? Google, like I say, went slightly above my entry level and came back down a little bit. Even JPM is higher today slightly, right? Microsoft moved about the same as yesterday, right? Nvidia is another one that moves slightly higher also. Oracle, like I say, almost hit my take profit but didn't, right? Maybe it will pop next week, right? And Tesla is also up slightly more, right? Okay, so overall the indices you can see from here is very tight range today, and a little bit up, right? Previously at market open it was a little bit down, right? Now is all the indices are all the three major indices are all in positive territory, which is a good thing, right? Okay, and I do see the correction being over. Like I say at the start of this week, if this week stays very stable, I think the correction, the bottom that formed, the correction that started last month and the surge down last week, right, could be the bottom of the correction, right? Okay, who knows, right? It may just keep on going higher and higher, or it may just dip back down and test the low, right? We never know, but I think the probability is very low, and even if it happens, it might just test and bounce again, right? So it's still good to stay invested and pick some good stocks to get in. Or if you don't have one, then using the profit signal, if you can see from here, based on our signals, it's quite good, right? Okay, not everyone is a win, but as long we make sure we lose a small amount, follow our stop loss when we lose, and get a bigger win and follow our take profit levels in our wins, I think we will do fine in the long run, right? That's all from me, and it's the weekend. I wish you all the best and enjoy your wonderful weekend with your loved ones and family. I will do the same as well. I will take a good rest. You also take a good rest, and I will see you next week. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.